Listen and number. 1. The first animated film was made in 1899. The characters were made of matchsticks. 2. The bicycle was designed by Leonardo da Vinci, but it didn't work. The first bicycle was written in Germany about 200 years ago. 3. Oxygen was first identified in 1774, but it wasn't called oxygen, it was called dephlogisticated air. That wasn't very easy to say. 4. Have you ever wondered why the letter keys on your keyboard are in such funny positions? They were first put in these positions on typewriters to stop people from typing too quickly and jamming the machine. 5. The first hot air balloon was made in 1783 by the Montgolfier brothers. A sheep, a duck, and a chicken were its first passengers. 6. The first ever robot was invented by the ancient Greeks. Well, it wasn't actually built by them, but they described it in their myths. It was made of brass. Its body would heat up, and then it hugged intruders to death.